All right, welcome back, Blue Ridge Silverhound. So I went to the bank earlier this morning and I picked up $20 face in what I would like to call kind of like a little mini mixer. So I got $20 face in nickels and then 4 rolls of dimes. I like to mix it up a little bit, like I said. But the nickels came up with some pretty interesting finds. It's been a little while since I've actually had a nice little mix of coins here. You saw the Liberty head, but let's start out with the less interesting fare. So some of the pre-1960 nickels out of the group. There's a 59, and this is a Denver. Okay. Up next, a 57 Jefferson D. So that's a Denver there as well. And I got a 54 here. I believe this is an S, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. San Francisco. And I have a really nice crusty 47. And you can't tell if there's a mint mark. It's kind of obscured by some hard aged grease on there, or whatever that is. So, though, you know, for $20, I figure that's about right. Usually I come across maybe 5 to 10 of those pre-1960s. So here's the Liberty head. It's a good condition. I wouldn't put anything any higher than that, although you could see maybe a letter in the word Liberty on her tiara right there. But it's a pretty cool find. Values, you know, like 50 cents to 75 cents. All right, but where else can you find a coin that's 108 years old? Nowhere. Coin roll hunting, that is. Now here's a really nice buffalo that popped out actually in the first roll. It's a 35. High mintage. It's got a little scratch across the back of his neck into that feather right there. This one's a filly. So the mint mark would be right under 5 cents. This one does not, although it has a partial horn. I figure it's a VG-ish, you know. That's a pretty cool find. Another buffalo here. Actually, you could see part of a date, 1925. And this one is also a filly, so it's a common date. It's got a edge nick, which gives it that bulge there on the rim there. So it's got a little damage to it. And this puppy came through in there. I come across Canadian stuff, material every so often, but this is one of those commemorative 1967 rabbit nickels. That's what they call it. That's pretty interesting. But for the most part, that's what I received. It looks like a mix that I would typically pull out of like a Coinstar. It's so diverse and it's funny, but you can't go wrong. I probably got $2 worth of stuff here. Nothing to write home to mom about, but you know, certainly worthwhile chatting it up with you folks. And man, that's why you coin roll hunt. If it was anyone else that discovered this kind of like variety of coins that I pulled out of there, then you know, it's a head start. You got a couple classics in there. You have a coin that's over 100 years old. But yeah, I wanted to share, you know, a quick little nickel haul. The dimes came up. Ungats. Big old goose egg there. So better luck next time. I haven't found a silver in dimes in probably a year. Not in 2018, so I don't know. Hopefully we're going to flip that script here. But thanks again, guys. I appreciate it. Go ahead and give me a like, big old thumbs up. You know, as always, Blue Ridge Silverhound at your service. Appreciate your guys' time, and peace. Take care.